Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy S24 is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $799.99 or $33 a month for 24 months with Smart Pay there. Also, it's available in black, 128 gigabytes of storage, and yeah, so there is the Galaxy S24. It looks like any other recent Samsung flagship phone, of course. So anyways, you guys got your hole punch there for your front facing camera. Earpiece about that. Power and RAM keys on the right side of the phone. Back of the phone will have a triple camera system. Camera flash Samsung logo. So yeah. Epic, just like that. Introducing Samsung Galaxy S24. Now with Galaxy AI that is built to provide you with a more personal, useful, and secure mobile experience than ever before. Samsung Galaxy S24 has the ability to handle numerous tasks, from capturing precious moments, being the ultimate productivity tool, and can handle hours of fun with powerful gaming performance. So, that's nice. So there is front and back of the Galaxy S24. So, yeah. Specs. So the Galaxy S24 has up to 29 hours of video playback time, up to 8 hours of audio playback time, 5G of course, 4G LTE, 5G, Wi-Fi, 8211, ABGN, AX, CDMA, obviously Verizon towers. Dimensions: 5.79 inches height, 2.78 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth, 6.2 inch dynamic AMOLED 2x 4 HD plus display, 120Hz refresh rate, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, that's your main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, plus a 10 megapixel telephoto camera on back, 12 megapixel front facing camera. Battery, 4G is up to 25 hours, Wi-Fi up to 25 hours, video playback up to 29 hours, Bluetooth 5.3, 4,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, GPS and stuff like that. There's your talk time I just mentioned that on the battery specs there. 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of ROM. The Samsung Galaxy S24 weighs 5.89 ounces. What comes with the Samsung Galaxy S24 is, of course, your Samsung Galaxy S24, your Type-C to Type-C data cable, and your quick start guide. So you just send stuff in the box there. Features: circle to search with Google. Search any image, video, or text on your screen. Circle, highlight, scribble, or tap to pinpoint what you are curious about. Those screenshots necessary. Generative edit. Turn every photo into a praiseworthy masterpiece. Move or remove objects. Fill in empty space with generative edit. High resolution. Share every detail of life's most shared worthy moments and natural, true to life color with the high resolution camera of Galaxy S24 series. Note assist. Capture the details in your notes and let Note assist do the hard work of memorizing, formatting, and even translating them for you. Live translate. Speak foreign language on the spot right from inside the Samsung phone app with live translate. So that's pretty cool there. So yeah. So yeah, you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is now here at Straight Talk for $799.99 full retail price for the 128 gigabyte version. So if you guys are looking to get a Samsung flagship phone at Straight Talk, the Galaxy S24 is worth checking out. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.